we're just trying to get a win, actually, so we could tie the series. We just tried to take advantage of some of the things that we saw from Game 3. We made some adjustments on how to attack their defense because their defense has been pretty good so far in the series. And it worked out for us. Offensively, we were able to get the ball to our bigs. Our bigs had a lot of confidence tonight. They took their shots, and they made their shots, Raymond especially. And that's really the key.
Sabi ni Coach no halftime, if we want to win, let's do it now. Kasi pag natalo pa kami, so parang mahirap na makabalik. So kung gusto namin talaga manalo, sabi ni Coach, let's do it now. So siguro nag-response naman kami lahat. Team effort talaga.